In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step tutorial on how to create 3D text effects in Filmora 12. So if you don't have Filmora 12 yet, click on the first link in the description to get yours now. Go to the Title tab and click on the Title drop-down and click on 3D Titles. There are over 40 3D titles for you to use in your videos in Filmora 12. To use any 3D titles, click on the Download button and drag and drop it on the timeline. To edit your 3D titles, double-click on the title to open up the Titles tab. Here you can edit your text, fonts, size, and color of your text. I'm gonna edit only the text and leave everything the way they are, and click on OK. Let's preview our 3D text. You can also use this for your YouTube intro, or to create a movie intro, like this. So guys, that's how you create 3D titles in Filmora 12. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this. If you want to get the Filmora 12 video editing software, click on the first link below. Also, if you want to voice over your videos using text-to-speech, check the link below to try out the text-to-speech software I used to voice over this video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel so we can reach 10,000 subscribers. See you in the next tutorial.